we welcomed 100 children into our London office for a day of creativity, curiosity, and fearless ideas. This was Kidovation, our playful hackathon where kids and families explore innovation, design thinking, and emerging tech. This year, we added something new: Generative AI. They imagined ocean creatures affected by pollution, created personas, visualized them with AI, and researched the problem. Ideas came fast and solutions took shape. Prototypes were built with cardboard and imagination. AI helped them spark ideas, answer questions, and bring their innovations to life. What started as play became something more purposeful, thoughtful, and full of possibility. Kidovation keeps evolving. And every year the kids remind us,
the future isn't just coming, it's already here.